Welcome to this product demonstration of a HP Spectre X360. Just bought it today. I'm so excited to bring it to you. It's a beautiful laptop, 15.6 inch screen, 4K Gorilla Glass. This laptop is available on Amazon, Best Buy, and Walmart. The link is in the video description. Click the Amazon link. So we're going to go through a little bit of a nice look at what this laptop has to offer. It's very powerful. The video is very good. This is the HP Spectre on the GoPro YouTube channel, and we're seeing it in a very high resolution. It's the 1080 resolution. You see how fast and crisp this screen is. So I can cycle through the video and you just see how quick, how on its toes this is the HP Spectre video playback. This is a 4K video on YouTube, and you see how fast the Spectre can just cycle through this video screen here. You're talking about a very powerful playback system when you buy this premium laptop. Available on Amazon, at the Best Buy website, walmart.com as well. And here's a quick demonstration of taking the Spectre and folding it back into the tablet mode. And we flip this screen around and we can see it in tablet mode. It flips back around. It prompts me, says, do you want to switch? I say yes. And we are in tablet mode. So this is like a basic game screen on the HP Spectre. So let's say we were on the Microsoft free game thing, and so now this is kind of how this screen looks. And of course it's very fast. This is the HP Spectre. Just bought it today. You can shop around and find it for less than $2,000. This is fun for me. This is one of my favorite videos, golf related, and it features Tiger Woods. It's one of his best swings from 2018, and it's fun to see it on the HP Spectre. You can see the screen, how quick it is, and of course that great swing by Tiger Woods. So get the HP Spectre. You can start your golf blog. You have a terabyte of SSD, 32 gigabyte active memory. It's a very, very powerful laptop. It's perfect for golf blogging.